Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on Mac. Many fans want to experience this classic skateboarding game on their Apple devices, and thankfully, there are a couple of easy ways to do it. We'll cover both cloud streaming and emulation, so you can choose the best option for your setup. Get ready to shred the streets of Port Carverton right from your Mac. The easiest way to play Skate 3 on your Mac is through Xbox Cloud Gaming. This service lets you stream the game directly to your device, requiring only an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a solid internet connection. Aim for at least 50 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. Just connect a Bluetooth controller, open your browser or the Xbox app, and start skating in minutes. For those who prefer local play or don't want a subscription, emulating Skate 3 with RPCS 3 is a great alternative. This PlayStation 3 emulator allows you to run the game directly on your Mac. You'll need to download the RPCS 3 application, the official PlayStation 3 system firmware, and the game's ROM. Modern Macs, especially those with Apple Silicon, often provide excellent performance with this method. To truly enjoy Skate 3, a good controller is essential, whether you're streaming or emulating. Experiment with both in-game and emulator settings to find the perfect balance for your Mac, aiming for 60 frames per second if possible. Remember to close any other demanding applications to dedicate maximum resources to the game. With these tips, you'll be pulling off epic tricks in Port Carverton in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.